Ever wondered how that delicious steak on your plate got there? The journey from field to fork is a fascinating one, and it all begins with meat processing. It's a critical step that ensures the meat we consume is safe, delicious, and nutritious. This process involves a variety of methods from hunting to factory farming. Hunting plays a vital role in supplying the meat processing industry, especially for wild game like boar. Hunters contribute to the balance of ecosystems, and their catch is often a source of lean, organic meat. On the other end of the spectrum, we have factory farming. This involves rearing livestock on a large scale to meet the high demand for meat. Despite the criticisms, it's a key player in the global food supply. Regardless of the method, ethical practices are paramount. From ensuring a swift, humane kill in hunting to providing good living conditions in farming, it's all vital. So, let's delve into the journey from the wild or the farm to your dinner table. The journey often begins in the wild, with a hunter and their target. The process of hunting is one steeped in tradition and skill, a dance as old as humanity itself. The hunter first identifies their quarry, often a wild boar or deer, chosen not at random but with careful consideration for the balance of the ecosystem. This selection is guided by regulations set forth by local and international wildlife agencies. These rules are not arbitrary. They serve a vital purpose in maintaining healthy animal populations and ensuring the survival of species. Hunting, when done responsibly, is a tool for conservation, helping to control overpopulation and promote biodiversity. The moment of capture is a culmination of patience, skill, and respect for the animal. It's not just about taking a life, but honoring it, understanding the role it plays in the grand tapestry of nature. Once the animal is captured, the next step is field dressing. Field dressing is a vital step in ensuring the meat remains safe and healthy to consume. This process involves removing the internal organs of the game, which is crucial in preventing bacteria from spoiling the meat. Imagine it like this. You're essentially stopping the clock on decay, giving you more time to get the animal from the field to the processing facility. This isn't a task for the faint-hearted, as it requires precision and care. Any punctures in the gut, for instance, can cause contamination. It's a delicate balance, but with practice and a steady hand, it becomes second nature. Once field dressing is complete, the quality of the meat is further maintained through proper transportation. This might involve moving the animal in a chilled environment to slow down bacterial growth. It's not just about the hunt, it's about preserving the quality of your harvest. After the animal has been field dressed and transported, it's time for processing. Processing involves several steps, each crucial to ensuring the meat is safe and enjoyable to eat. Let's delve into these steps, shall we? First up, we have skinning. This is where the hide or skin is carefully removed to prevent the meat from being contaminated. Precision is key here. Next, we move on to butchering, the part where the animal is divided into manageable sections. The carcass is typically broken down into primal cuts, each of which can be further processed into subprimal or secondary cuts. These cuts are what you often see in your local butcher shop or supermarket. Then, there's the aging process. Aging allows the meat to become more tender and flavorful. It's a delicate balance of time and temperature, ensuring the meat doesn't spoil while it develops its character. Throughout all these steps, proper sanitation is paramount. It's important to prevent the spread of bacteria and maintain the quality of the meat. The final step in the process is packaging and distribution. The journey from the wild or farm to your plate is nearly complete with packaging and distribution. Once the meat is processed and cut, it's time for packaging. Vacuum sealing is a popular method, with its ability to lock in the freshness and extend the product's shelf life. The meat is enclosed in a plastic bag, the air is sucked out, and then it's sealed. For longer preservation, freezing is often the next step. These processes help to maintain the quality and safety of the meat. Distribution is the final stage of the journey. Whether it's a local grocery store or a fancy restaurant, meat products find their way to various destinations. This web of distribution ensures that consumers have access to a variety of meats, whether it's wild boar from a recent hunt or beef from a local farm. From the hunt to your dinner table, each step in the meat processing industry is vital to ensuring the meat you consume is safe, ethical, and delicious.